Good morning, nandito po tayo ngayon sa Walmart, December 26 at kami po ay
Yes!
ayan, sila po ay mamimili ng mga 50% para padala sa Pilas. Yun yung sikaw.
Yun yung magpapabox yan eh.
Magpapabox yun.
Ready na siya oh. Magmamadali oh.
Pasok muna tayo sa Walmart.
Go!
Ano yun eh?
Ano lang yan? Meron lang yung picture ng chocolate. Ah, pero chocolate. Oo. Ako na regular. Milk chocolate lang. Puro milk. Wala na. Ay, gusto ko nito. Ang kano to?
Zero. Question.
Ang kano? Oh, minsan di ba iba? Ah, mahal. Ito. Wala lang. Hindi na katulad dati na malalaki tapos sale din na 50%.
50% naman pero hindi lang po.
Hindi na. Kasi universal.
Pokemon.
Kasi ito na yung baby. Doon, $14. Eh, sabi ng Alex, half pa daw yun. Yun sila ko na eh. Oh. Kaya ko dapat lalabas yung totoong price mo, di ba?
Bumalik ako kasi kailangan nila ng pushcart. Madami silang binili eh. Ang ilalagay mo na essential. Bigas. Essential to. Hindi pwedeng hindi ka bibili nito.
Ilan si Mike ang bigas? Pakain ka. Sa atin, dalawa? Mura tayo.
Kumain ka ilan? Dalawa din?
Mike!
Isang kumuha, apat eh. Ay,
Okay na.
lima.
Isa lang daw.
Okay. O yan,
Thank you,
pwede
baby.
na.
Mura yan.
Huwag lang
Sa
din.
ilang kilo ba yun sa Costco? Masarap ba yan talaga, ate? Ano ko kasi sa Costco?
yung bigas.
Huwag lang din
Oo,
makasal.
sa bigas. Sa ilalim.
Ikaw na magbayad yun.
Oo, ayun po.
Ayun,
sa'yo.
Nanay, yun.
Okay. Ah, meron ka makunay?
Ayan, no? Tagi-isa.
Ito.
Sa kay AJ, sa kay Summer, sa kay Nanay. Think so. Kailangan to. Ayan lang ba yung clearance? Dos lang, kuhanin mo na yan. Ano?
Si Kenneth?
AJ, Nanay.
Ah,
Summer.
akala ko may dalawa ka na. Ano pa? Eto kayo sa bahay ko na sa amin.
Ito, sabi ko na. Lang ako sa McDo. Gusto mo sa McDo?
Mga kape.
Masakit chan ko.
Hindi na, may pasok ka pa.
Yung mga biscuit or ano,
Oh. Oh, sige, punta kami doon, ate. Punta kami dyan.
Takbo muna. Pasok pa kasi soon. Okay, see you later. Buti di na wala. Iniwan ko sa Google. Ayun, happy.
Oo, happy naman. Kasi,
Nakamag-
happy na sad.
Magkano ka?
Ito kasi papasok eh.
Sapat lang kasi.
Magkano ka?
Nakamagano ka?
Kunti lang binili ko.
Oh,
Para
Matugda pa rin.
Ganyan namin kayo kamali.
Ayun oh.
Ganyan namin kayo kamali.
Ayan oh, para kanino ba itong mga pinamili nyo?
That's yan eh.
Ay, para sa Pinas ba to? Ah, naku, masaya naman sila. Ang ganda, ang dami naman na
Diabetes
pamili.
kayo, hinahinay.
Ayun oh, ang daming matamis.
Hinahinayan mo lang ba?
Ay, palang matamis
Ay,
oh.
diabetes. Sigurado ako.
Mga ko bang nabiling sabon?
Ayun lang, yung mga bat. Ay, ito. Di naman siguro ito maglasa.
Sige, tapat mo na sa ilong ko.
It's okay.
Mmm.
Sorry. Pasta mia.
Pasta mia?
Mia pasta.
Hot.
Yes.
Kapal yan, yung medyas mo. O kayo, try mo.
Yes.
7 lang ako. Try mo yung isa.
How is it?
Manipis ang medyas ko. Masikip nga.
Waterproof.
Oo, waterproof. Gusto ko.
170.
Masikip nga. Ano?
200.
Ang sikip. Kaya nga, 7 to. Mag-8 ka. Lumuwag na. Ah, lumuwag.
Lumuwag siya.
Baka luluag din.
Pero mas gusto ko yung Hoka.
Well, sabi ni Kuya Jay sa din daw eh, pero lumuag daw eh.
Lumuwag naman siya. Yes, okay.
Ayan, sakto na. 10% ha?
This is like, Daddy, this is what I got from Minty.
Oh. Oh, that's what you like, eh? Some mini toys. Olivia. Let's go here. Go ahead, mommy. Mini so.
What's up?
What you gonna buy, Olivia? How about you? Hindi ko na.
Yeah, I think my shopping is pretty well wrapped up, guys.
Huh?
I'm losing patience. That's way too.
Is this the last shop we're going to? Sige!
Anything pamasko ah. Merry Christmas. Still Christmas.
Hey, of the people at the Philippines. Which is okay.
Mama. Smells good? You want some chocolate, Mama? Some chocolate, Meme.
Ng mga hamster. Hindi ko kasi makalimutan kay Kenneth. Ng ano? Nung
Hamster?
nanonood kami ng mga bata, patagpa kami yung hamtaro. Tapos ang dami nun. Ang daming hamster. Sino ba dyan si Hamtaro? Ang yabang yan. Ito si Ham-Ham. Ito si Pichi. Sinasabi. Kaya na, kami dalawa. Kaya lagi kinaalala sa kanya. Naalala pa rin naman niya hanggang ngayon. Hindi ko alam. Meron pa sa taas pero napangalanan ko na yun. But try to cry. You can just okay. Okay. Olivia! Come here! Go. Come here! You! Bad girl! Don't smile. Don't smile. Bad girl! Bad girl! Bad girl! Oh, galing siya sa'yo. Olivia. Hindi na, no?
Saktan mo si ate. Si ate, saktan mo. Sige, lakas mo.
Questionnaire mo pa din.
Caramel brulee.
Yes. Thank you for the frap.
Idol mo.
Oo, idol kita.
Kanina kasi,
Oo.
yan.
Oo.
Nag-frap ako.
Choco.
Oo.
Okay, frap din.
Oo.
Idol niyan ako eh.
Oo.
Idol mo ako eh!
Oo.
Idol mo ako eh!
Thank you.
Thank you.
Ayan.
Eunice. Thank you, Eunice.
Oh yeah! Can you tell them, KJ?
No.
It should be frap.
Frap.
Oh, sorry. This one should be frap.
Nakapagkape na! Nakapagkape na po! Nakapagkape na po! Nakalibre na po!
Thank you, Tita Eunice, for the free coffee!
Thank you, Tita Eunice!
Grab your bag, pack your coat, walk on out through the door, to the street, to the highway. You and me will go explore by the sea. Read the stories from your book, tie the lines onto the hook, take a picture by the street, be the best friends we can be, you and me. It's gonna be a good day. All the people we could meet, all the beauty we could see, endless possibility, all the love we'll ever need, we'll ever need. It's gonna be a good day. Chase our shadows down the bay, watch the seagulls fly away, hope to see the Milky Way, say I love you by the way, by the way. It's gonna be a good day.
I have a present. I'm gonna open it.
Oh, continue.
We're here now. Olivia's happy. Right, Ning? You're gonna go shopping? What? Oh. Whoa. Whoa. Oh. Where are we going? Where are we going?
Where are you going? Tita's asking.
Toy Star.
Toy store. Which toy store?
I don't know.
You don't know. Whatever you see.
Yeah.
How much is your budget?
50 and 20.
Are you gonna stay within the budget?
I don't know. I'll step on it. And step it on it too.
No! Ang ganda mo sa mga... Ayan na. Ganda ng photos. Hindi ko alam kung... sige, bye-bye. Send ko sa'yo, bye.
Kayo din, let me know kapag kailangan nyo ng anything.
Oo ha, kasi tingnan ko lang sa kanya kung ano gusto niya. Salamat.
Salamat.
Ikaw pabalik ko na.
Ano? Ano kaya? May wallet pa sila.
If it's just from one person, then I'll just get one toy.
One.
But
Ah,
since Tita Nice gave me $20, then
Okay.
that means I get 2 toys.
cool. And what toy would you like to get then?
I don't
You
know.
don't yet? Do you have any idea in your mind that comes up? So that you know where to go, so that you can buy your toy that you like?
Oh, I don't know what toys do I have.
Okay.
So, cactus alive.
Oh yeah, that's nice. You know that one? If you say something, it will copy you.
This?
Yeah. For example, you say happy, and then you say happy, and then it will dance. It wiggles. See?
Kahit na ano. So it has to be available then po.
160,
166.95.
I'm gonna call them.
Okay,
Like
so-
that's fine, but that's good. Yeah. So they
Don't tell me.
they need
ito na nga ng pera ko.
Oh, may parehas. Ano kasi yun? 165.
says this.
Kailangan ko lang ng demand. 165. Ayan. Uy, gusto mo?
Look.
Yung ano, kakanin natin.
Kuchinta.
Kutsinta.
Look. Wait, look. So,
Oh, let's go. You finish it?
Huh?
And you finish it.
Yeah.
What? What?
So $20 from her and
Kapit na.
$50
Okay.
60,
Oh, let's go over there. No. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, come on.
Like my top yeah. Yeah.
That's the one you like, Olivia, eh?
Yeah. And then you pick what you really like. Yeah.
Come on.
Oh, we're gonna eat later. What? No sugar, no sweets. We'll see, but not sweet. No, no sweet.
I have 4 toys.
You have 4 toys?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. That's a lot of toys.
I think 5 or 4. Yeah? 5 or 4. I don't know.
I think
It's 4.
4. 4.
That's what I just saw.
Yeah, I think 4.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a lot of toys. Right? Say no to Jason.
I have 4 toys.
That's happy. That's good. You happy?
Yeah.
It's nice. So you got your present now.
Yeah.
Tita. So you're happy.
Where's my mom?
Did you say thank you to Tito Jason? Did you say he bought the toys for you?
What?
This is money.
Oh, thank you. I have a present. I'm gonna open it. So,
Wait.
Ready?
I have a present. Ooh, I'm gonna open it.
Yeah.
What do we have here? We have this. Let's see what we have. This is the collections.
Barbie.
What do I have? Okay, let's put it in here. Let's see what we got. We got this.
Wow.
We got a girl.
Nice.
We got a girl with paws. And some feet.
Put it in here for the open.
Take off the feet. Okay, this would be her shoes then. Okay. Let's see what she got. She's just gonna go in here. We got these. Let's open them. First, let's open this. We got some little shoes. We got some little shoes.
Wow.
Little shoes. Okay. So this is garbage. And this is
Put all the garbage here.
garbage.
There's something in there?
Where did I put the shoe in?
We put in.
Wait.
Is it all garbage? Okay. Let's put all the garbage here.
She got some shoes, okay? Then let's pop it in there. And then we got some of this. Let's see what we got here. We got a cute puppy. Okay. Now, the mystery. Let's see. We got a clock. Oh, we got some pens. Thanks, bye. This was from Tito Nice, and this was also from Tito Nice.
Aww. That's nice. That's cute. What else?
That's it.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
You want fries? Or you wait for your mommy
Yeah. I'm already getting fries
from
from AW.
A&W again na naman.
Wow. I want AW. Not
Oh! Fries?
Yeah.
Come. Come.
cute.
Eat here.
Huh?
Eat fries. Hindi ko nga marinig eh. Hindi ko maintindihan.
Order ka, kasi ano ka, kung to go or to stay,
Oo.
sagot mo large.
Large.
I do, right?
Hala, ang dami pala.
Sinabi mo na gulay. Ah,
Ha?
sinabi mo din na gulay.
Hindi ko na
Ba't di mo
nasa.
sinabi?
Lala.
Jesus. Kapag ang sabihin mo para alam niyo yung order mo.
Mama.
Burger. And I have a granola bar.
Oh, wow.
And some tissue. That's it.
Here. But I wish you hit your food. Here.
And that's it.
Ayun.
Big.
Mm. Enjoy.
Enjoy your meal.
Enjoy.
Ito apa?
You see that boy? He's like,
The hoodie.
yeah, because he wants to touch him.
Umaga, gabi na.
Mm. Gabi na tayo. Nabala tayo ng gabi.
This is shop till you drop. Ano ka?
You're too far from me. Olivia, go inside. Go.
Yeah.
Get inside.
It's
Get inside, Olivia. Get inside. Olivia, get inside. Go, put this on. Oh, thank you, baby.
Awesome.
Thank you, baby. Thank you, Olivia, for waiting for us. You guys are very patient.
Pwede, gusto sana ng kape sa Teams eh. Ang haba naman ng pila.
It's okay.
Kailangan on the way, pwede dyan.
Ayan, dyan, baby.
Andyan na eh.
Magkape tayo.
na pa yan ni Kuya Jay.
Oo, gusto niya magkape.
Diretso na tayo sa ano kasi sa Walmart na tayo.
Ha?
It's okay, sa Walmart na tayo.
McDonald's ang nandun.
Hindi, okay lang.
Lamig. Lamig na. No?
Winter na eh.
Buti na lang, nagdala ka ng chips, Olivia, oh.
What?
You can eat your barbecue.
Jay.
Ha? Huwag na ang chips. Eh, gutom na eh. May pailaw na. Tama kasi hindi kayo makita. Ang mukha nyo hindi makita. Wait lang, I'll do the torch, Kuya Day.
I got an idea, it's pretty simple. Won't need no fancy shoes. It's about time for together time. So here's what I thought we should do. We can sleep in and eat waffles with maple syrup too. After breakfast, we'll go walking into the afternoon. We'll hold each other as the sun sets. Zoom by doobity-woo. Eating peaches on the back deck. A perfect date with you. Throw the deadlines out the window. Priorities I know. It's about time for together time. So here's what I think we won't do. We'll hold each other as the sun sets. Zoom by doobity-woo. Eating peaches on the back deck. A perfect date with you. We don't need no reservations to make this moment last. Don't need phones to entertain us, 'cause a day with you's a blast. We'll hold each other as the sun sets. Zoom by doobity-woo. Eating peaches on the back deck. A perfect date with you. Eating peaches on the back deck.
Oy,
What?
Yeah, you need to appreciate.
That's so fun! Oh my gosh!
Best toy ever.
Not on the food! Move it over there! Ano ba yun? Not on the food!
You like it? How was it? How's your
It's
present?
good.
You love it?
Yes. Oh my god, that's a good thing we see.
Okay, what did you say? To Tita.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
really good toy there.
Yeah, you like your toy,
You should
eh?
thank your mom. Your mom said like, why not this one, right?
Yeah, better. It's much better.
See, Mama knows best all the time. I mean,
And then
Ang ano kaya, loose ba to o ano? Loose ba ang fit nito o ano? Di ba yung mga ayan, medium?
Tulong
ka kaya? Hindi naman ginawa pang
8 years old.
muscle spasm. Nag-tighten yung muscles mo.
May kanin ba dito?
Meron. Gutom na.
Wala pa eh. Hindi mamaya niya na-picture. Ano ba yun? Meron pa ba akong spring roll sa ano? Sa plato ko mamaya?
Yun na yun.
Oo. Pero may barbecue naman yata yun.
Ano kumain
Kasi wala
sila, Jay?
akong ulam.
Handa ko.
Asian buffet.
Asian buffet? Hindi ko yung dalawa.
So doon ni Olivia at may matatamis.
Mm.
Tapos dito kasi ilalagay, itong sauce na to ilalagay mo. Dito.
Yan na yung pack and brain pack.
Ito yung pa.
Ito yung pa. Pasha to, pasha. Pasha. Ito akong favorite ngayon. ano yan? Noodles, rice vermicelli.
Tapos lalagay.
Mm-mm.
Oh, yun.
Thank you.
Oh, yeah. Thank you.
Ano?
May kumaliit lang ng sauce.
Pagsabi ng kanin,
Ito may kagaganito mo yan dito.
nilagay ko na. Malimutan ko may spoon na noodles.
Ayun, no? Sarap.
Ah, ito na spoon mo na.
Magbubulay.
Hindi talaga spoon talaga.
Baka meron.
Sinabi ko spoon and fork.
Of course, yun.
Wala siguro silang spoon talaga.
Soup spoon.
Hindi ko alam na ano pala sila. Ganito rin pala sila.
Na
Vietnamese, Cambodia, Malaysia.
Malintik na.
Wala ko ba na-order? Wala ka na-order yan yun.
Ito mo naman ako.
Ikaw yung isa niya sa'yo?
It's the tree. Ba't ang tagal sila?
Kanin yun eh.
kanin.
Nasa
Fried rice.
Dapat may kanin ako.
Kusain pa.
Ang sarap ng gulay.
Ito ba, dagdagan mo na dyan, oh, baby? Ito ba? Sabaw pa. Pero magtira ka kasi para dun sa ano. Nalagyan niya nito, oh.
Papakita ko yung kay James. May inggit dyan.
Yes, kuha ka lang nito, ah.
Kuha ka na.
Habang walang gulay.
Sabaw.
Sabaw lang.
Konting noodles. Ah, puro ano, vermicelli.
Pero yung mga punang tinidor. Rice noodles to. Ikaw, Micah.
Ako na.
Ito.
Dain naman.
Ha?
Ako sabaw lang.
Yan.
Baka hindi lang. Titikman ko lang yung sabaw. Kasi alala ko walang lasa yan.
Pero naman.
Wala.
Yeah, lalagyan mo nga ng mga
Pag
yun.
may ganyan ganyan.
Tapos meron ka dapat yung toyo. Toyo.
Tapos lalagyan mo ng mga...
Thank you. Yeah. Yeah, spoon. Eunice.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
Ang lalaki pa na.
Hindi ko talaga nabetan to.
Good, baby. Like it.
Sarap.
Ano lasa ng kanin?
Sarap. Damihan mo na.
Nakalibo si ate.
Bumili yata.
Hindi.
Bibili yan. May nakalagay na bayad eh.
Hindi yan bibili kapag kaan. Ano kayo ito? Dali mo. Ano?
Baka chismis to eh.
Baba mo.
Oo.
Hindi mo lang mahalo eh.
Buti nga na-libre yan. Ako hindi
Flavor ko. Yeah.
Okay sa game. Ikaw, ano flavor mo?
Siguro matagal na dito.
Ano flavor?
Bago lang siya.
Ano nga yan?
Smarties.
Ito, ano to?
Oreo.
Di ba mas matamis yung Smarties?
Oo, kasi sweet yun, may sugar.
Matititin ako.
Balik mo, sabihin mo hindi masarap. Favorite brand.
Lakas red. Oo. Sarap. Tapos parang, uy, ako masaya ako. Sabi, gusto ko, parang gano'n. Okay lang. Sa timis pa ako. Ano ba sa bako? Helper eh? Kalat eh. Paano lang? Kaya ko. Pasok ka mo lang. Ha? Okay.
Ano ba lasa nito? Ha?
Nakapon pa lang tayo. Maybe Kuya may mga trabaho mo Mga pamera.
Ano ba yan? Wala naman nakikinig sa atin, di ba? Sabi nyo nga. Ba't kailangan nyo ba maging sensitive sa mga bagay-bagay? Wala po hindi kayo nakikinig dyan. Wala naman kayong pinapanood dyan. Kung ano man yung marinig nyo, sa inyo na lang yun. Huwag nyo ipagpapag.
Kamis nito. So, itong mga-apat na to, kaya naman. Dessert. Busog na nga naman daw.
Bahay, kumain na kami ng Vietnamese.
Sinasabi ko nga, busog na daw.
Baka di na.
Oy, pwede. Handaan mo.
Depende pala.
January 1.
Ano daw?
Tigilan na ang kagagastos.
Sus, kayo yung
Ikaw ang
sabi niya.
mag-ano ko, Jay. Last na yung umuwi na tayo.
Ako
Doon lang
yun,
gawa ng 3-in-1 kayo ng kape, gano'n.
Hindi ako, kayo yung mahilig gumastos.
Hindi nga, ikaw nga ang... Ikaw ang kailangang hoy.
Kahit naman sabihin ko, hindi nyo pa rin ako susundin eh. Bahala po.
Hey.
Yung pakit ko, may sinasabi
Pwede.
ako. Wala naman ako.
Pwede.
Power.
May power ka. Sabihin mo lang. Maybe you have the power. Sabihin mo lang, hoy, kayo tumigil-tigil.
Unless may isang paraan.
Ano mo?
Akin na lahat yung mga debit nyo para di kayo gagastos. Tatago ko.
Ano na isang lasa yun? Yeah. Para makikita-kita tayo ang yung debit sa atin.
Hindi ka makakabili.
Tapos,
Bigyan ko lang kayo ng budget. Bawa, 20. Sa isang araw, 20. Yun na yun.
pagpa-uwi na, ayun na yung mga debit. No.
Simple.
Ay, may peach tea!
That's for you.
Thanks! Sabi niya.
Hi!
Sabi niya, kamay ko? Nagugas ka ba? Of course. Nagugas ka na? Ay, sorry, thanks, my God.
Mom, I don't want to go.
Ay, may gulay.
Oh, nee, that's a bastard pickle.
It's good. You wouldn't taste the gulay.
Ay, ang
What's
dami!
gulain? What's that? What is it?
A lot of
Gulay
veggies.
veggies.
Oh, really?
Ganyan yung mga pizza.
Hey.
That's all good.
It's,
Because I told her.
they're busy because it's end of year.
Yeah.
So a lot of people are buying food before the year end. Because I know some of them are gonna be closed.
All we need is a place to be and a few good friends for some company. If you'd like to stay, you don't have to leave. We'll leave the lights on and the door unlocked. If you drop on by, you don't have to knock. We're happy to share whatever we've got.
No, the game we played, Jason was really good at it.
The cat?
Yeah, the little cat.
Oh, yeah?
It's so hard.
Is it hard now? Mm-hmm.
Kasi kanina, naglolo ko yung
What?
Amazon. Weird.
This is.
What's the flavor of your tea?
Yeah, see you, niece? Your sister sent me a picture. Oh, look how nice I look in these shoes. I'm like, I gave you $500. Oh, I don't want them. See?
I sent them. Ang ganda kasi.
I don't know why. Buy them. I give you money. Buy them.
I don't have them now.
Oh.
What shoes?
All white.
The gray one.
Mm.
We're happier if we buy stuff for other people.
I know. I could have sold the PS4, I think, for $450.
Mm.
Yeah?
And I was going to give each Kenneth and PL $225, and then give them the PS3.
Yeah.
But it's hearsay. It's hearsay. No, I don't care. I don't think Kenneth really cares about.
Yeah.
But I think they'll just waste some money on food or whatever, right?
I think he'll care for the money.
Yeah, I know.
He like the money better.
Oh, that's yours. What are you doing? You can't have that.
Where did you get the PS4? You bought it?
No, that.
Yeah, where did you see them?
Yeah, remember? Yeah, we went 200. I think I paid $200 for that. And then I kept buying games from that place and games. But
How much is it now? The PS4.
well, how much did I pay for the terabyte? Remember the memory?
I think it was 100.
Yeah, see, so about $300 plus all the games, about 400. I said 450 with 2 controllers.
Yeah.
Throw the deadlines out the window. Priorities, I know. It's about time for together time. So here's what I think we will do. We'll hold each other as the sun sets. Zoom back doobity woo. Eating peaches on the back deck. A perfect date with you. We don't need no reservations to make this moment last. Don't need phones to entertain us, cause a date with you's a blast. We'll hold each other as the sun sets. Zoom back doobity woo. Eating peaches on the back deck. A perfect date with you. Eating peaches on the back deck. A perfect day with yeah.
Stop there. See. Stop. Now can I get somewhere? Okay, we're going.
Oh. I like that.
Yung mag-entrance pa tayo, di ba?
Ha?
Magpapakita pa ng ID mo.
Oh, it's like yan.
That's it. Now. 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 Now.
Olivia, look at me.
Now. Whoa. Now.
Olivia, look at me. Olivia, look at me. I like that one. Wait for it. Hello? Nice, Nene. It's first time ni. Look! Wow! Meron na? Video? Video mo kami, baby. Olivia, parang ka mag... Ah! Look at the camera.
Madalas kayo, ha?
Ang ganda nun yun, is doon ka. Happy New Year, Happy New Year, Happy New Year, Go there, come on. I can have a video with you there.
Pero yun yung sa lake.
Ginis, oh. Ginis, sali ka. Wait, wala pa eh.
Oh, tapos na.
Hindi, meron pa yun. No. You have lots. Yun na yun. Ginis, doon. Sama ka, Ginis. Ginis, sumama ka.
It's like raining.
Oo.
Hard.
Nawala.
Antayin na natin itong GoPro.
Oo.
Para all of us. Saan kayo napasok sa lake mismo?
Oo, eh, pero hindi.
Boga, boga!
Boga.
Boga!
Now. Now. Now.
I would have just drove. We could have just been too close.
Whoa, it's like a bunny. It's like thunder. It's like thunder. Lightning and thunder. It's like thunder. Thunder and thunder.
Boga, boga!
Boga.
Boga!
Now. 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 Now.
I could have just drove. We could have just been two cars. What's your favorite? I think I like the blue.
I think I like
The
that.
yellow and then blue.
I like
okay?
that. I like that. It's like
The last one would be the best one.
so
Yeah, I like that.
first it's small and then it's bigger.
Yeah. Wala pang fireworks. Ayan na, ang dami ah. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, yun. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That's good. Good. People are sledding. Diyan tayo pwede mag-sledding. Wait.
Mom, can you carry me for the last like that? Wait, do that again.
Is it? I think it's done. 10 minutes. 11 minutes. Is that it?
Wait, Mom.
Oh, yun. Ano mo ko dyan? Yung GoPro mo. Iwan na natin.
Mom, could we do the thing again?
Siya makaibat namin doon. Di ba?
There's no one way to listen with Spotify Premium.
Ano lahat ito?
Enter to learn more.
Ewan ko. Teka, siguro lang. Nakita ko lang sa London sa tele. Ang ano, super fan. Ha?
He smiled like she used to smile way back when. She's feeling like she used to feel way back when we tried something better. But waiting for this magic moment.
To like,
Thank you.
like turn back. So then you can.
I know a star. This time when all the pain away, we'll come home, my lover and from. We are starting over again. It won't take long. It won't take long.
Wala na.
Someday, someone's gonna love me the way I can love me better than. Yeah, I can love me better than you can. Man, she better treat you right and give you everything. Only that she doesn't, I'll be waiting in the way. Reach, couldn't see, we were never meant to be. Catch myself like you, like you, like you, like you, nobody like you. And there's nobody.
It's true.
But they don't turn my tummy the way you do. But they don't let nobody like you.
I'll never meet better. Cause to the surface, where they can't hurt us, we're far from the shallow now.
In the shallow. Every time you walk by, I see love in your eyes.
Water, ma'am.
Happy New Year. Happy New Year.
Happy
New
New Year. Happy New Year.
Dito kami ngayon sa Ron. Bibili kami ng duct tape para maipadala na yung box galing sa Pinas. Para sa Pinas. Para sa mga families. Bibili ka pala kami ng duct tape. Kasi wala. Kulang na yung duct tape para doon sa box. Sa balikbayan box. Kaya yung balikbayan box papadala yun by anong buwan ba? March? April?
Huh?
By March or April natin papadala yung box. Hindi pa namin alam. Pero darating din yan sa inyo. Hintayin nyo lang ha. Mostly sa kanila yun eh. Kaya kung may mga ano sobra dun pala na basta
Ano may sobra? Gusto mo ba?
wala, joke lang nga, okay lang ako, joke lang.
Box no?
Bibili mo na kami ng duct tape 5 dapat, so doon kami pupunta sa aisle 5 kasi kami nandito kami sa 12, 11, 10 aisle, so Sa ano yun? Wala na malaki. Yan, duct tape.
Magkano to?
Yun, duct tape din. Yan, 16. Ito yung binibili ko. Parang ganyan.
Ito lang.
Yan,
Yan.
18. Magmahal na ano.
Ha?
Dati
18?
$5 lang yun. Dali ko na yun.
Duct tape.
Duct tape. Nakabila kami ng dalawa kasi mahal na eh. Mahal yung Fuentes na. Excuse me. Masyado na mahal ang duct tape. Dati $5 lang po eh. Ito na.
Andito na po tayo. Ito na po yung mga vlogger.
Yung
Yan po, ito yung mga vlogger po. Ayan po, si Kuya Jason at si Maria Elena. Yan po ay yung mga vlogger.
So tayo punta ngayon na.
Walmart na.
Okay, pupunta muna kami sa Walmart. Bibili ng something there. See you later.
Boga-boga.
Boga boga.
Walmart muna kami. Bibili lang ng kape. Mamakdo daw sila.
Ilan ako to?
Tsaka ano.
Itong mga, ito yung nasa sasakyan sa kaliwa.
Mamakdo sila.
Kasi ilag.
Padala kayo. Yun o. Yun bang sobra. Ay, puro ano na siya. Christmas decor na lang. Wala na mga supo lights.
Pink. Okay.
Wala na mga supo lights.
Ubus mo yun.
Ay, hindi. Meron pa dito. Oh. Ay, hindi siya clearance eh. Regular price na siya.
Boga-boga.
Hindi na siya sale. Regular. Regular price na siya.
Boga-boga.
Wala na. Hindi na siya discount price. Regular price na siya. Ito lang yung sale. Yung mga Christmas supplies.
Boga boga.
Hindi na sale. Wala na susunod ng sale eh. Puro Christmas decor na lang. Ay,
Boga-boga.
ay namura pa rin yung bigas eh. Gusto yung bumili $10 lang yan.
$10 pa
Ano
din.
yung bigas?
Boga boga.
Ito, mura din yung motor, no? $2 na lang. Ay! Sabi mo spend, naging 12 na. Diba 10 lang to nung ano? Naging 12
Ay,
na.
nag-12 na?
Oo. Pero mura na rin kasi 18 yung original niya eh. Original niya is 18 eh.
Whipping cream.
10 siya nung ano, 10 siya nung Christmas Day. Nung Boxing Day. Tapos ngayon wala, nag-sale na siya ng 12 na lang, 12. Ah, wala na sa bahay.
Whipping cream. Ito na lang. Pansit. Ito na yung pinaka-magaan.
Oh, wait. $1 something itong Colgate.
Tara na, magmamakdo tayo.
Ang bibilin ba? Tumakbo.
Gusto ko na ang kape. Try. Dahil si Mike nagkamali. Nagtitipid si Mike, ayaw niya ba yun? Sigat na talaga, bahala.
Sabi nga niya,
Oh, diba?
hingi na lang daw siya. That's blessing talaga na nagkaroon siya ng...
Lagi siyang binibless second hand talaga. Ito ikaw yan.
Year, first year 2025 blessings. O may libre siyang din sa...
Lagi ko naman ano? Hindi. Siya yun, siya bumili. Hindi ako bumili.
Hindi siya bumili, libre yun.
Hindi, sabi ko kasi sayang. Hindi naman talaga ako how or ano. Or anything. It's so good.
Di ka sakitan ka man, nag-asking ka ngayon maaga. Hindi ka pa nag-breakfast.
Parang gusto ko iluto. Parang kasi ako ngayon nakita ko.
Luto mo kayo ngayon. Luto mo kayo.
Ako sa fried rice eh.
Luto mo.
Pilig ako sa ganito eh.
Ayun natin yan. Luto mo.
Mahal yan. 7 nakasale na yun. Hindi naman ata sale, ewan ko. Walang ganyan sa Costco eh, may pa-cheese. Oo, wala.
Okay lang. Saya na ako sa kape.
Oh, yan. Ay, dito ka pala. Nakababa ka, kotse.
Sumama ko sa inyo eh.
Kumpay. Ayan, naka-auto.
Something for
Naka-auto. Oh. Ano yan? Bago yung box na yan. Ah. Sabi niya, for Jason. What did you say? What did you tell him?
No, I thought
You want a video?
No, I thought Hey Jason left.
Ah. I thought you called him because
Okay.
you want the video.
No.
Yaman.
Wow. Ow.
Kita has all the way. She can do everything.
No, you can't. You don't have powers, don't you?
Powers?
I do.
Show me.
Over.
See you later, guys. See you sa kasi simulachi eh.
See you in a minute, Kuya Jay.
See you in a minute. Enjoy your meal.
Enjoy your meal.
Bye-bye. Momo. Hi. Is it? Ay, lilik mo yun siguro, no? Hanak. Did you lick this? Nilik mo yan, no? Wala. Pahugas na lang yan kasi nilik mo yan, eh. Go there. Go there. Wait natin sila, mami, ha?